Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Grammarly app, the go-to writing assistant for millions worldwide. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves to write, this tool promises to make your writing flawless. But is it worth the hype in 2024? Let's find out. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay until the end for our final verdict. Main content. Grammarly has come a long way since its initial launch. It's more than just a spell checker, it's a complete writing assistant that helps with grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even tone analysis. The app works across multiple platforms, including desktop, mobile, and even browser extensions, making it incredibly versatile for any writer. One standout feature of Grammarly is its real-time feedback. As you type, it highlights errors and suggests improvements, whether you're writing an email, crafting a social media post, or working on an essay. In 2024, Grammarly has introduced even more advanced AI capabilities, like detecting repetitive words and suggesting alternatives to make your writing more engaging. But that's not all. Grammarly Premium offers additional features like clarity suggestions, plagiarism detection, and even tone rewriting. For example, if your email sounds too formal or too casual, Grammarly will guide you on how to adjust it to match your intent. However, no app is perfect. One downside is that the free version is limited compared to Grammarly Premium. The free version covers basic grammar and spelling, while the premium plan unlocks all the advanced features. Another consideration is the subscription cost, which some users might find steep. Conclusion. So, is Grammarly still the best writing assistant in 2024? In our opinion, yes. Whether you're a casual writer or a professional, it's a powerful tool that can elevate your writing. The free version is great for basic needs, but if you write frequently, Grammarly Premium is definitely worth the investment. What do you think? Have you tried Grammarly? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next video.